Hello, dear students. Today I am going to discuss with you all a very important topic, and the topic is what is the difference between living things and non-living things. Before discussing this topic, what is the difference between living things and non-living things? First of all, I would like to clear what is living things and what is non-living things. Living things are those things which have life, and non-living things are those things which have no life. Now, you are living things, and the pencil which is in your hand or eraser which is maybe beside you, that is non-living thing. You're sitting on a chair or keeping the book on the table, that is non-living thing. Your brother or sister who is beside you or playing with you, that one is living thing. Right? Now how we can say that I am a living thing, and the pencils, the chair which I am sitting, that is non-living thing? There are some features, there are some characteristics. Right? Now, okay, now here some features are given. Movement, what is given here? That living things move from one place to another, if and non-living things do not move on their own. Now you are living thing, right? You can move from one place to another. Think that your father or your daddy or your mummy or your uncle or auntie, anyone is calling you, you can go near to him. Okay, but if you call your eraser or your pen or your pencil, your table or chair, right, what do you think? It will show any movement? No, unless and until you put some force on it. Right? Now, so what is given here? That living things move from one place to another, but non-living things do not move on their own. Right? Second thing is that food, air and water. Living things need food, air and water to stay alive. Non-living things do not need food, air and water. You know very well, to now you are sitting to study. Maybe you have taken some food. Now you are breathing also. Right? Now you are taking in oxygens and throwing out carbon dioxides. Maybe you have taken water. Right? Now, but non-living things which is beside you, means their books or pencils. Right? Now, what do you think? They need this food? They need air, they need water? No, they do not need food, they do not need air, they do not need water, because they are non living things and they do not need all these things, right? Now, what is here? Growth. Living things grow in size, non living things do not grow. Maybe before, if you think, if you think before 1 year, right now, your height, right? What do you see? That before 1 year, what your height was, or what is your weight was, today is also same? No, there is some growth have taken place in your body, right? No, but in non-living things, they do not grow. You have seen many plants, okay, in your garden. Maybe there is some plants, right? Okay, what you see, that that plant was before 1 month, its size was small. Now it is slight bigger. It is growing up, but the tub, okay, in which you have planted that plant right now, what do you think? That is also growing with that plant? No, because it is a non-living thing. Understood? Again, I am giving you one more examples. Okay, maybe you have some pet animals. Right now, what you see, what you notice, that it is growing in size, but what do you in your room, okay, there is some table or chair, what you see, that it is not growing. It is as it is before 1 year or 2 year. The size was, today also it is in same size. From this we can understand that non-living things do not grow, whereas living things grow in size. Breathe. Breathing. Living things breathe, non-living things do not breathe. Now you are sitting for study. Right now you are breathing, you are taking in oxygen, throwing out carbon dioxide, right? The but book which you are reading, okay, the pencil which is in your hand, or the glass in which you drink water, what do you think? They do breathe? No, they do not breathe. Means non-living things do not breathe. Second, next point is feel. Living things feel, non-living things do not feel. If somebody beat you, what what you will do? You will feel angry. Right now, if somebody is touching you from behind, right now you will turn your face to see who is that person, right? So from this we can say that living things feel, living things have a feeling. Okay, anybody is saying a bad thing to you, so you feel sad, you become sad. When anybody is praising you, you become happy. So you have a feelings. Okay, but non-living things do not feel. If you beat your table, if you beat your chair, they do not have any feeling and they will not show any response. Okay, but living things, they will show response. Clear? Now reproduce. Living things reproduce their young ones, non-living things do not reproduce. Means from this, living things give birth. Okay, but non-living things do not give birth. Right? Now excrete. Living things excrete waste from the body, non-living things do not excrete. Food, you are sitting, you are taking daily, you are taking some food, or the food, some part of the food is digested and some part is produced as a waste, right? And that waste goes out from your body, right? No, so that process is known as excretions, right? No, but in non-living things they do not excrete. Why they do not excrete? Because they are not taking any food. Why they are not taking any food? Because they do not need food. They are not growing. They do not need any energy, right? No, and we are growing, we need energy to grow. So what we are doing, we are taking food, and when that food is taken in our body, some part is produced as a waste, and that waste goes out from our body, right? No, that process is known as excretions. Clear, dear students? These points are clear. Now you can add some more, you can find out some more differences between living things and non-living things and write down in your copy, okay? And learn it nicely. Hope you have understood this topic. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video. Goodbye, take care.